Attention all residents of the United States. The asteroid Cranora is now imminent. Impact is expected within the next few minutes near the coast of South Carolina. It is critical that everyone, regardless of location, follows these instructions immediately. If you are within a 200-mile radius of the projected impact area, evacuate immediately. Follow all instructions from local authorities and proceed to the nearest designated evacuation center. Those unable to evacuate should take shelter in the most secure part of their homes or designated community shelters. Basements or interior rooms on the lowest floor are preferable. Stay indoors and away from windows. Secure any loose objects outside that could become projectiles. Prepare for potential secondary effects such as shock waves and aftershocks, which may cause structural damage and power outages. Make sure you have gathered adequate supplies and keep a battery-powered or hand-crank radio on you at all times. The National Guard and emergency services are fully deployed and ready to assist with evacuations and provide support where needed. If you are in the projected path of the asteroid, prioritize your safety and that of your loved ones by following these guidelines. This is not a test. Brace for impact. A catastrophic event will take place within the next few minutes. Brace for impact.